to Kicks and Beats, the channel that gets back to the hood, so you know what's good. Make sure to hit like and subscribe. Now let's get to it. Hey, what's up, guys? What's going on? It's your boy Broadway J, host of the channel Kicks and Beats, the channel that gets back to the hood, so you know what's good. If you're new to the channel, hit like and subscribe. I got an oldie but a goodie over here, something that nobody's been thinking about really, in my opinion. I haven't heard nobody talking about it lately, but this is very interesting because I looked at the retail price on StockX and I was just amazed to see that there was a Yeezy shoe in the past that released at retail price for $595 USD. But what's also weird is I found a lot of prices just dipping. I was able to pick one up half size less than my true to size, and the reason why I did that is because I heard from one little source on the internet that it fit them really big. So instead of getting my true to size, not even my Yeezy size, my true to size, instead of getting true to size, I went half a size less than that, especially because I seen it being posted up for $130. I thought that was insane, so I took the deal. Let's check it out. This is the Yeezy Season 6 Crepe sneaker. Thick Shaggy Suede colorway Taupe. Let's check it out. Shout out to StockX for this discount. Also, this is like, looks like a pretty casual shoe. And I don't really have one at the moment, so I had to pick one up. So, you know, I looked in the Yeezy brand, of course. I like the box. Feels nice. Season 6. That's the detail right there, the front. Let's open it up. Okay. Oh, I thought I got this on StockX. I'm bugging. All right, I got this off GOAT. Shout out to GOAT. Ooh. This paper feels pretty nice. It's like, it smells a little funny. Not that bad though. It's like, it's mild. The smell is mild. You can see through it, kind of. It's weird. It feels like tissue paper in a way, but like super durable tissue paper. If that makes any sense. And it looks like the shoes come in like their own separate bags. Season 6 right here. Boom. Oh wow. This is pretty interesting, guys. Yo, these guys really weren't joking when they mentioned the thick suede. Like, especially look at this collar area over here. Super thick, man. But I like it, man. This is real good quality, man. Premium quality, if you ask me. I'm not gonna lie. I like this over here, the gum-like bottom. This bottom reminds me of the Wallabies. If y'all don't know what that is, it's by Clark brand, the Clark Wallabies. I owned a pair in high school. I remember back in the days, had the green pair. Still want to get the cream. But yeah, let's check out the insole for this. It feels pretty nice. Pretty thick. Underneath the tongue, it says 43, which I'm guessing is the Euro size, because that's what I see in front of the box. And translation for us, it's a US size 10, which, you know, is half a size less than my true to size. And yeah, we're gonna put this on today and see how it is, and let you know how sizing works with this shoe. But this seems like it's gonna be a real comfortable casual shoe. Nice selection for anybody who needs a casual shoe. I didn't really have much of a casual shoe that would look nice for interviews and whatnot, so I had to pick up this pair when I seen it online. I just couldn't believe the price. This retailed for $595 retail price. I want to see why. And I just can't believe the price I got it at. I got this for $130, guys, so check this out on the GOAT app. Certain sizes are around $130, certain sizes are around $240, $250, but that's okay because that's better than paying $595. What a deduction in in value, I guess you can say, for this shoe. It's just in regards to the resale market, of course. If they ever decide to sell this again in a new colorway or something, who knows? Maybe they'll sell it at $595 again. But I don't know why nobody's really picking these up. I'm guessing nobody just talks about it much, but this is real good quality, guys. Real good quality. Shoelaces, I don't know if I mentioned it before or not, but it's not the same color as this over here, like the body of the shoe. Maybe I did, maybe I didn't. Stitching inside is blue. Very uncommon. I've barely ever seen that. I don't think any of my shoes has blue stitching inside, but anyways, that's not important of details. There's a little sticker I see in the side. I don't know if you see that. Just different details in here. But anyways, let's show you guys how this looks on feet. Let's get to it. you guys enjoy that on feet look. I know I did. You know, I actually replayed this back and whatnot before finalizing this video, and I thought it looked pretty cool. I like how it looks on feet. I think you guys would too. If you happen to pick up a pair for yourself, I say go for it. Yeah, and when I was walking in this, it felt real comfortable, guys. You can actually go half a size down from your true to size, not your Yeezy size, your true to size, but it's gonna feel snug. It's a snug fit. So if you like that loose fit, just go with true to size. You'll be a-okay. You'll be good to go with this pair. But anyways, I'm done with this review right here. Stay tuned because we got another shoe coming through in the next few days, I believe. A red pair, my favorite color. So you already know what time it is. Your boy Broadway J, host of the channel Kicks and Beats, and I'm out, y'all. Peace.